guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. And today is another part of the Vizag series, and we are going to Bora Caves currently. And we left at around 8:30 in the morning, and this is the beautiful route to the Bora Caves. And I hope you guys will enjoy this jungle series as well. And yeah, it's pretty exciting. We have a very exciting 2 days ahead of us, and let's see how it goes. So guys, we are going to Bora Caves right now, and it's a cave place, of course, you can understand by the name. So yeah, we are almost on our way there. It's like 1 kilometers max from here, and yeah, I'm gonna show you that. It's very dark under there, so I don't know if I could talk to you over there or not, but yeah, we are reaching there. So yeah, this is the view. We are very high in the mountains. There are many tribal people up here, but I did not spot any. So we reached Bora Caves and just spotted this cute baby monkey, and it's drinking water, you guys. It's so cute. And this is the route. This is the starting of the caves. There are stairs like this, and this is the outside how it looks, and that's me going inside of the cave. Yeah, it was really chilly inside. Outside it was like very warm. It was very sunny, but inside was like really chilly. So guys, we have finally reached Bora Caves, and this is the view, and it's very beautiful. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the view now. So this is how the caves look. They have put this colorful lights and all of that, and yeah, there were a lot of people, and it was really cold inside. And then after visiting the caves, it was a time to eat this bamboo chicken, and this is how it's made under this bamboo. There are this cooked chicken, but then they are put under this bamboo, and then they are burned in fire, and that's how we eat it. Guys, I have come here to eat this bamboo chicken from Bora Caves, and it's very famous over here, and it's the main purpose why I've come here. I have researched all kinds of videos on YouTube, and it's really tasty. I have heard. You guys can see how it's made, so now I am going to taste some and I'll tell you for sure. See, this is the after process. After the bamboos are burned, they shade the ashes, and then they take out the chicken from the bamboo sticks. What is this cylindrical thing that is there? And that's how they make this bamboo chicken, and it's really famous, and it tasted so amazing. It was like so spicy, but it was very juicy and very, मतलब it was very unique. ऐसा कभी कुछ खाया नहीं है. And प्लीज़ अगर कभी भी आप लोग अर्कू वैली आते हो तो डू ट्राई. इट्स अ मस्ट It was really tempting. I could not wait any longer. जैसे ही वो आया, I was like टूट पड़ो अब. तो it was really tempting और बहुत ज़्यादा tasty था, you guys. We tasted the bamboo chicken that we had, and it was really worth waiting. And if you are coming to Arku Valley, do not forget to try the bamboo chicken. It is worth your cost and everything, and it is really tasty. And I have showed you the way it's made, and it's very tasty. It's very spicy also, but yeah, do try it out. It must be on your to-do lists. So we are done with Bora Caves now, and we are heading towards Arku Valley. That is our plan for today. So guys, we have finally managed to reach more than half of the Arku Valley, and look at this view. From here we can see this terrace farming, I think this is called, and there's this tea plantation, coffee plantation kind of things, and there are so many mountains over here, and the camera is not doing justice to the view at all, but yeah, I'll capture as much as I can. So I am really enjoying this view. So yeah, that is the road behind me, and it's a very steep mountain, so there are so many monkeys as well, but the view is so amazing. But till now I cannot tell you if it is cold up there or not, because it's really sunny over here. It's really hot. The climate is very warm, and I don't know if all my warm clothes are gonna come to use or not, but the view is so beautiful. That is the view right there behind me, and now I'm going to show you a nice montage of the view. So guys, on our way to a waterfall in Arku Valley, we spotted this Mohan Indian honey store. I was really curious what is there inside, but they were selling honey basically. Also, they were farming the honey. Honey plantation was going on in the background, like the backyard of the store basically, and there were honeybees in these boxes, and they were farming them. The guy told us a lot of stories about how honey is, how they farm it and how they make it like this. And also spotted this cute doggy over here. It's such a cute baby, and it was really playful, and yeah, I played with him for quite a long time. But we also ended up buying couple of bottles, because there were so many varieties. I got 2 bottles of the plain pure honey, and guys, trust me, it's so different from the honey that we get from the stores. But also I got this ginger honey, which I heard is great for migraines, and it was really amazing. So yeah, that was it, and now we are headed towards more of the Arku Valley, and that's pretty much it for today's video. It will be continued in the next one. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and the next video is really exciting, you guys. We were in a lot of troubles the very next day, and yeah, wait for it, guys.